How to use custom grid layouts in Wix Editor. So as is right here, we have in here our Wix grid. So if you want to change it up, you can click on this particular grid, and then from in there, click on this quick edit option in order to quick edit this grid gallery. Now, once you have clicked on that, it will show you this content as well as layout for this one. You can click on this layout option in order to change it up right here. Alternatively, you can also just quick or just close this quick edit, and then you can right click on this particular gallery and click on this settings option in order to toggle it. Now from in there, it will open this pop-up window. So from this pop-up window, you can change up the category to display. You can also click on the display, and you can also change up the scroll behavior as well as the image hover behavior. Now for this layout, just click on this product grid option, and then just change up the grids that you will allow for this one. And also you can change up design that you will also have, as well as product cards, text, and everything. So by customizing everything on this list, you should be able to have your custom grid layout. So that's how you use custom grid layouts on Wix Editor. Hope we helped.